The Indian Railway Finance Corporation (IRFC) began its journey on 12th December 1986. IRFC is the dedicated market borrowing arm of the Indian Railways, with operations over the last 3 decades in domestic as well as overseas capital markets. IRFC has funded rupees 1.54 trillion to the Indian Railways for capital expenditure out of a planned borrowing of rupees 2.5 trillion by the Indian Railways from IRFC. IRFC has successfully funded rolling stock asset worth rupees 21,02,023.51 billion as of September 30th, 2019. In addition, IRFC registered a growth of 20.13% in total revenue from operations. Till March 31st, 2019, IRFC has funded the acquisition of revenue-generating assets of 10,350 locomotives, 57,370 passenger coaches, 229,815 freight wagons, which constitute around 85.48%, 84.90% and 79.47% respectively of the total rolling stock assets of Indian Railways. IRFC has zero non-performing assets and capital adequacy ratio of 303.78%. and a low-risk business model as expenses with respect to hedging of foreign currency and interest rates are built into the weighted average cost of borrowing that enables IRFC to earn a margin, which is determined by the Ministry of Railways in consultation with IRFC. IRFC maintains the highest possible credit ratings for an Indian issuer, both for domestic and international borrowings. IRFC has received the highest credit ratings from domestic agencies such as CRISIL, ICRA and CARE, as well as international agencies like Moody's, Standard & Poor's, Fitch and Japanese Credit Rating Agency, which are on par with India's sovereign ratings. Indian Railways has laid down a capital expenditure plan of rupees 8,560.2 billion from fiscal 2016 to fiscal 2020 on network decongestion and expansion, safety, national projects, rolling stock, station development and logistics park, high-speed rail and elevated corridor, passenger amenities, IT and so on.
IRFC has played a strategic role in financing the operations of the Indian Railways. The Union Budget proposed a capital expenditure of rupees 1,602 billion for the Indian Railways for fiscal 2020. The actual capital expenditure of the Indian Railways was rupees 1,334 billion in the fiscal 2019, out of which we financed rupees 525.35 billion, accounting for 39.38% of the actual capital expenditure of the Indian Railways. We believe that the extensive expansion plans of the Indian Railways in the future will involve significant financing, and we believe that our operations as a primary financing source for the Indian Railways will increase significantly.
IRFC. Investment is our journey.